When I first noticed my lucky bamboo looking weak, I honestly thought it just needed more water. The leaves were turning yellow, some stalks were brown and dry, and a few even felt soft and mushy. That's when I realized something was seriously wrong. Lucky bamboo is supposed to be low maintenance, but small care mistakes can slowly damage it without you noticing. After doing some research, I discovered that the biggest problem was the water. I had been using regular tap water, which contains chlorine and other chemicals that can harm lucky bamboo over time. On top of that, I wasn't changing the water often enough. The roots had started to rot, which is why some stalks turned yellow and soft. If your bamboo feels mushy at the base, that's usually a sign of root rot. To save it, I removed all the dead and yellow stalks and trimmed off any mushy roots with clean scissors. Then I washed the container thoroughly and refilled it with clean, filtered water. I made sure the water level covered only the roots, not the entire stalk. I also moved the plant to a spot with bright, indirect light instead of direct sunlight. Within a few weeks, I started to see new green shoots growing from the healthy stalks. The leaves became brighter and stronger, and the plant slowly came back to life. Saving my lucky bamboo taught me that simple changes, clean water, proper light, and regular trimming can make a huge difference. If your lucky bamboo is struggling, don't throw it away. With a little care, you can bring it back too.